Hello guys, guess what? I'm starting a YouTube channel. Well, is it not obvious? Like, you're watching the YouTube already. Anyway, my name is Kunle Laniyan. I'm a visual storyteller based in Abuja, Nigeria. I've also been a wedding photographer for 5 years now, and I've experienced some of the amazing wedding culture that happens in Nigeria. And I would like to take you guys on that journey. We as photographer, we experience some of the amazing, like super amazing locations. And I want to take you guys on that journey where we explore different places, different states, different countries, and all. Gosh, I love to travel. I sit down one place and I'm like, man, I need to travel. I need to leave this place. And there are some places that you hear in Nigeria and they say, don't go. Oh, they eat human beings. They do sorts of things. And trust me, man, they are most times rumors. I visit some of all these places and trust me, meeting the locals, those are one of the best thing ever. Like they are so homely. Like they welcome you. They are so appreciative and they just want to help you and support you. And I want to take you guys on that journey. And lastly, we photographers tend to chill a lot. But I'm not going to give you that spice on how we chill in our leisure times and stuff. But it's going to be fun, trust me. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'll be giving some tips and tricks on my channel to young photographers out there. So if you're a young photographer, young creative, just hang in there. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my tips and tricks. But before I go, I was even thinking of what will I call my YouTube channel? Should I say Kunle behind the lens or lens behind the studio? I don't get it. Like YouTube, I mean, like it's actually so weird for me. Like sitting there in front of the camera and talking, like it's so weird. Oh my god, I pray I don't fuck up. Well, leave your comment about my channel. What should I call it? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.